Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. SSA School Association demands salary structure implementation and enhancement of the remuneration to SSA teachers working under Samagra Shiksha. Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles holds sit-in demonstration at Mulki Ground to demand reduction of prices of petrol and diesel. And public and students depending on commercial vehicles facing challenges. And now the news in detail. Different commercial vehicle organizations under the umbrella of MGACC are univocal that they are not interested in increasing the fare of commercial vehicles, as this will affect the passengers, especially those belonging to the economically weaker section of the society. They said that the state government can easily reduce the price of fuel, as fuel is a state subject, by reducing the various vehicle taxes, including the doing away with COVID-19 cess, as the state is limping back to normal. Large number of drivers of commercial vehicles from different localities of Shillong and its adjoining areas marched through the streets carrying placards and shouted slogans before converging at Mulki Ground. Speaking to the media, the chairman of Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, Don Bosco, said that the rising trend in the prices of fuels has badly affected not only the owners and the drivers of commercial vehicles, but the entire people of the state. Jarwa said that his organization is adopting the peaceful means of agitation to impress on the state government the need to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel. But these drives have fallen on the deaf ears of the state government. Jarwa said if the state government does not concede to the demand, they will have to adopt other stringent courses of action.
Tengah sudah mana kalian sorkar kalian agak ti kuman tiga yang berkentiu kenyaki, ndai bakin kenyak teh, ndai kalau mentah ti kenyak kuman teh, nak kalian sorkar. Ni hapsi pajak ti khajna sorkar. Dengan itu ipi menhaga swak lockdown ke khajna juga passenger tax kaduna bah, hadian ke lockdown ke kiyo, kan ke passenger tax. Tapi tak ter. Jadi berfak kalau ke jingtu jong sorkar kalau bah kalau PI kita ingin bangin yang ndai pi krep ban ot mak teh kita jungi teh iki. Ya kata nak kalian ke Kejungi mengaji isi habang ada pisah begini bang saya song ini kenduk yang haksi sajan ya kapor yang seperti banyak cakap hai begini kenduk bang saya sim 47 senjam jam jingi ki lada kayan langnya ikuman sokar ini hari ini kita bukan yang saya sim kaka jingi lang isi masih sajan.
On the other hand, the chairman of all Meghalaya Taxi Cab, Martin Lingdor Nonglait, said the most affected people due to hiking the prices of diesel and petrol are the villagers. He said the urban population can somehow manage things as all the necessities of life are available in Shillong city. To substantiate his point, the Khar said the villagers are finding untold suffering due to this issue, as they are finding it very difficult to bring their ailing relatives to Shillong for medical treatment.
Barang ini depend malasor Shillong. Tilada kam perkhat, lada kam pai khmat ke sarkar. Senong kendong ru, kubno perkhat yang ini kejinge no kendong. Mong tang hasor ho ini don kejinge. Hari kam tam lingi senong kendong. Ko sarkar kuno nyelam perkhat lem. Pi bedan lala kejong konstituensi. Kidon nilala kejong kinong kendong. Tu ngap lem yang unong nyelam. Patu perkhat lem ya kibireu kanu kejinge ki kapang sistem. Hadu ono kejinge jongki. Pinsiya sa kumni pinom perkhat syu sim ya kanu karai kemut kei ke bapirai kalong kapam suhun yu paiba tam ngi lei ginong nanong kendong lei kemut pi ti ar tengka kemut kam sui hab ei yar tengka indunai diesel kemut kume ongi wei long kumi wat sing tien kwai ngem yo rekam tam ngi lei nanong kendong anu kejing e jungi da kumno ra ali selong kan perkhat lem ken ya kecing penhiar ya diesel kabudunar kemut sipau lene khatsan barkhale mingi bang subat sa kamni te kablong na kan tuiru ki minister ki bidai pai transport pai khamalem singi kinong kendong kanu jinge jungi kinong kendong.
The owner of Meghalaya petrol pump S. Dingdo, who came to extend support to the rally, said the state government is in a position to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel if it wants by reducing the various vehicle taxes.
ngala pensai tu sini keniat pisia wede bak tax nomor per banga kadang kalau ke sistem tek shwa sistem shwa ngas dang ya pamang tei tinggal kerma ti benai fab shwa jong lockdown ke government ke tax ya ke petrol ya ke diesel ke tax 13.5%, but 13.5 kalai poinsan, but ya ke petrol ki tax 22%, kat bakasan sales tax ke 18%. Tingi hak ban stu ke wiru baka petrol ke diesel kini doesn't fall within GST. Kini categorize saka Meghalaya value added tax. Kini ke state subject. Tinggal ngakan mau ba hadin ke lockdown. Wat dah tu ke lockdown ru ke ekonomi ke syahid so hard ba ngitep i brok hai baka price jong crude oil ke international market ka hier. Tindai pause hadin jong ka tang si benai April. Ngakan mau mid month jong April pada ke government ke rai ke tax jong ka diesel nak 13.5 saka 22%. But eka petrol nak 22%, cakap 31%. Tinggi sekolah dah hak bandra eka tax, so at least there has to be a gradual slope kan bandra mah. Supposing ke diesel nak 13.5, kadi bandra cakap 15, 17, kunta kan rei. Kensan kira nak 13.5, cakap 22. Te bat kensan kira pat ya ke petrol nak 22, cakap 31%. Te ngas ngau ba kani ka khata eventually pada ka khata ya kakta bat ya ka ikidok isok kan maka kiyo kan fi ka petrol mesin ka kiyo ka baik kali teman obviously by kamarba mardi ro ka kiyo te kembang man should remind me fi to singiro baka state jungi kolong totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Neither we have access to airways, waterways, and railways. We totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Te sisian bakal kiyo dor hi ka diesel tengah try kamarba ro kan kiyo hiam sa khamtam ni baka state jungi pe ka ki khamtam yu khaw kapal transport ukhaw ko debit through FCI. Te state government kahapan ket bitek ya tu 9 tons capacity bakla implement ke Supreme Court. Ni kamna ban violate ya tu. Te eventually katu bahap ket nang 9 ton for that distance we can cover. Katu eventually kapan kiyo dor te ya kamarbam.
Different vehicle organizations from Upper Shillong joined in the agitation against petrol price hike in the state. Taxi Driver Association, which include Milliam, Umlanka, Lomoba, Sadau, Lajam, Mauklot, along with the FKJJP Upper Shillong Circle, under the banner JAC Upper Shillong Milliam Taxi Driver Association, today the 9th of February 2021, organized a rally to protest against price hike in the state.
Constitution Hibrogaway, Ilasim yang negarai, hakabat mentaka sini nemi madan, halor kejing kuman, bak kejing kelut ke sarkar, hakabat yadai, bat kedor jengum peniang, bat kita kaba kelacat sengi proses 6. Hakajing Syah.
Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Association today demanded implementation of salary structure and enhancement of remuneration to SSA teachers under Samagra Shiksha. Addressing a press conference at the Shillong Press Club, the president of MSSASA, Aristotle Sirumbai, informed that the association will submit a memorandum to the Meghalaya Education Minister, Lakmin Rumbui, in this regard. Justifying their demands, Rumbai said that as per state rules on the Right to Education Act, it is inferred that SSA teachers recruited and appointed for implementation of Right to Education Act shall have pay and allowances as par with regular teachers. But for the state of Meghalaya, the lower and upper primary school teachers, who are the pillars of implementation for the Right to Education Act, are being separated by the state government from the regular teachers of the state.
Jom mentau senem, nampak ke financial year arajar arpaway. Tinggi nak kalian jong association, ibu jingkili ya ke government. Nak ni ke lai spa Andrew Pemio Kror, katno spa Kror la ASHA ke education department. Berhaki benta ayu la pentrekam yang kini kepisah ke ban siu tulok. La nak benda yang ban siu tulok ni dawana ke state government bakadai ban pensai yang kategori ayu ke siu tulok. Nak ni kapisa, dan ni khajna ka baki yolum nak petrol ba diesel. Laka de yaki no hikai SSA ni, laka de yaki no hikai deficit ni, laka de yaki no hikai ad hoc ni. Lani lalaki pentrikam haki way pat ki benta jong ka education department, laka de ki infrastructure. Kumta tetel. Nak kalian jongi ngi dawa ba ka state government kadai ban pensai, kadai ban I specific kaknola Pak support education department bat akibenta ayu la pelut. Nang tak ba arpat kecing keli ke bangi kuak ban bu ya ka state government. nakaliang jungi mentah kasngi ngi kwa ba nakaliang jung education minister ba don borom jungi berkum juru ka state government hi kan pensai ba hadu kat no krur ba kilabu ha ka state budget karpang na mentah jungi ki nong hikai SSA ngi ba mentah kalong la asnem siteng kan ka government kala ya hana hadu mentah ki problems ki ba ngi ya kendu ndu ki por ki ba menshwan ndu ka previous government the same problems ngi ya kendu mentah tika ega cingkular jong ka party NPP before election balada ka wan ka bor kan le na menta jungi kinohi kai hadu menta ars nem siteng ngimpat yo idak baka state government kale menta jungi pi wat ya kanika jingdawa jungi menta ka enhancement but pentri kam ya ka salary structure ka balong a very genuine issue ni dawa katkum ka Art Act 2009 berkum juru katkum ka State Art Rule 2011 kataru kidang kantai ban pentrekam tingi bu cingkeli kan ya ka government ba la kane ka people's document jong ka party NPP kalong tang pan su penbit election yang ni ha ka por election ni kadon jing thumu sisa ban wanra ya kata ka jingkela kumbala kam suwa ka election 2018 kata duty lang ong ha COVID-19 duty kira pak lut kira pengat duty lut yang ini nadong sadong almost bat kini ki regular teachers kira pengat ini nadong sadong ada ke pensusi yang ipat mandala dei ha ka bayar dei berkebenta juga service matters bat ka salary matters kumbang ong nakaliang jong ka state government kale tukupta nakaliang jong association ni kwa ban pa ka message ka basya sa state government minta ka smilang ba jong pi kila ta ko borba ada ka state government kam penulong ya gajing dawa jungi apo kat pratrik jong mentau benai ngi nakaliang jong association hadin bala put kan ka jing bupor ngi ngin simpat daki we ki senjam wat ban penlong ya ki program jingi ki kumbangi dale hati por ki ba menswa imat kala long ka raibi ngi kino hikai SSA balada ngim ya ki ngim yo ya ka hok ka ba ngi dai hok ban yo ko be shibun da pidang don chikili lakon kili.
The Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles today, the 9th February 2021, has asked for the support of the tourists operating from Kandailar in its demand from the government to reduce the price of petrol and diesel. Speaking to the press, Mr. Donbok Jirwa, President of the committee, said that he urges all members of the public to join hands in the committee's initiative. The combined efforts of all concerned will ensure that there are no regrets or untoward incidents arising from people who would take advantage of the situation.
Tiap pa kidon kini ki kali turis mo ki bakamai te namar ba kani ke jungi bandawa nak sarkar ban penherdo di petrol namar ba nadu pasdang hi ngilabu ya kini ki strike mo hadu menta kadang ya indefinite strike te ka basusi kalau empat mengitip pa ki perdokot ki jungi kinonya kali ki la pentip ngi mo menem step pa kidon ki action ki paper ki turis nang ni napo PB ki pa kamai pat te kani hi kalong ba kumbak kini no ya kaplang ja mo jungi khasi dai nam dai na kumno ki bender kin kamai sahu hakaba ngipat ngihapan bu ikini indefinite strike mo te ngismo ba kani hi kam pensturat yangi te namar ngi iru ba kani jungi hi jong ka all Meghalaya hi borok kawai ka state ka jelahi mengilabu ikini indefinite strike te hakani ka poru ngi kentu kan ini ki perlok ya son ki paper ngani apo Shillong ki badon hang ni apo Shillong mo di badon khamtam ni po Thailand ba kini snok tilang bat kani ka jingi ki jungi ngim kwa ba kinu ki asion kin shim kabu mo kin shim kabu ban kamai namar ba babun hi ki action ki paper apo ka jingi lam jong ka all Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle mo kalala ban te song mentah paro hi mentah ngayo ban gain support ngayo ka jingya teli ngayo ka support paper apo ka rigasi jentia tingim kwa apat ha pa sor Shillong in iba kimender kin kamai sahu mo ngi ki kimender kin kamai sahu te ngi nakaliang jungi no alat abide ba kami bagila tentu mo nakajing suret nakaliang jungi ba tungi ni trelang nang ni khmat bagila khot ngi lewer kini ki ason kasi jungi ru ba si sajan kandon ka jingelang hakapor sibiji mo datang ini kena tian ku boleh sebut
Kana kim dei ban simil de baki kinang nya kali private ane kinang nya kali bosau khamtame kim dei ban simil de baki dei kita ki bayo mamlu nak sarkar ne bayo klub nak sarkar jadi men train kat bani baki sange e kali jong ki ola da kisah penbor nak sarkar haba kimi tulop nak sarkar kimdi full pelajar government serban kidi bestu kata ano sabi jong kiru nei dai ni sipet berkatam mungkin sekren hadir masukar pat ki bakin operate nang ni kan yo ja kan no jing ja si keno ya ka GSC ting sim tanak ni kata mo mar tangitai te kali private lagi ada maham malah ada ngilam nilai kum kita kiriu sim kabu project benriu nyan so project benriu mo ti nama beli ngilap ni mamata da kejing sok lang babun mo kipat ba kalau bayu lesi don kinang sim kabu te ngim kwa manong kan don kejing keno sangi kan tangita nak yang ni swan kerpat iki toh.
The ongoing strike of the commercial vehicles has brought immense hardship to bear upon the members of the public, especially students who are dependent on existing local transport services to travel to work, school, and to attend their various obligations. In Juwai, even though the local taxis are on strike, the scene appears to be very much the same, with the hustle and bustle of daily life being unaffected to a certain as tourist vehicles continue to ply. Yamusyang, the main market in Juwai, continues to be thronged by a crowd of people coming from various areas travelling on tourist taxis. However, once they arrive in Juwai on board their tourist taxis, they are left high and dry, as they have no other means of travelling to the various local destinations within Juwai to complete their errands without any taxis being available. Even the very same tourist taxis that brought them to Juwai refuse to take them to the locality.
Government voice. Dari kari private. Kita berkadang pilot sini. Kami dah bawa dikejar lain. Dah, escort.
Cuma ikat bayo boga thor emocong pick up. Biasa. Mem joki kari ten. Tak deng de step online darap yang lak. Dong boy keniu em laki permit la yo phone kari wan mesa. Dekat di permit dekat port like kami dan em digilak bon bukan cat. Kadang indah gitu menang teh tu waktu jam kari mesa kadang yo. Dem yo teh tip cibat kit memang yo. Hah? Tu pi op. Họ bên dùng xe tàu chính chắc là tàu đi bò rồi tàu krek nó tàu đang krek mình là chính chắc nó đi bò rồi xe chấm nhọ gì là tàu đang krek itu kilo permit kan nong krek gì mình gì te email làm nhọ gì kilo nhọ gì lại vậy tàu đi kilo chỗ mà đi chỗ gì kami yang mau chỉ nhọ cái gì suk kami đi chỗ mình đi nhọ cái gì suk lại te kilo mình kami đi chính chắc sẽ kilo krek kilo nó chấm nhọ.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.